I'm going to teach you Visual Studio Code in a way that actually makes sense for a vibe coder. If you have never used Visual Studio Code in your life, this is the best video you'll watch on the internet. So if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, just go to this website code.visualstudio.com and download for your Windows. If you're on Mac, download for Mac. So there is nothing complicated inside Visual Studio Code. It is basically a file edit, just like the files you have on your computer. So this is a folder inside of my computer and it has 3 files. So inside this file, we have 2 more files. And now I'm going to open this folder inside my Visual Studio Code. So let's go to my Visual Studio Code and let's click on open folder. This is the folder that I want to open. Just click on it and then click on select folder. And now you're inside that folder. So yes, I do trust this repository. So this was the folder which had 2 files inside. So the easy thing about this code editor is it's basically a file editor. Okay, if you have like a list of documents, you can easily manage inside your Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's just a file editor. It makes everything visually appealing and you can easily like switch files, edit and open multiple tabs inside. So that's it. That's basically what Visual Studio Code is. Like this folder which is empty, you can create a new file and let's name this to wow. Okay, let's put this file inside this folder. And now if I go inside my PC, so this is the file that I just created. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is basically a file editor and that's basically it. Now you might be thinking that why do we have like Claude code inside Visual Studio Code, and does it only code? You can use it for coding. Like most of the people, it was basically built for coding. Okay, you can like, and if you don't want to like use it for coding, you want to like manage your pictures, videos, you can do that as well. But that's not a very practical thing to do inside Visual Studio Code. So what Visual Studio Code did is it brought in plugins, just like we have plugins inside our WordPress. So it's basically a third company's product, which basically Visual Studio Code has embedded in itself. So on the left side, we have this apps option, which is also called extension. And from here, you can download Claude Code, you can download Codex, which is OpenAI's product. And you can basically like hand it over your complete code base and say that I want you to create me this website. I want you to create me this service. I want you to create me this automation. So that's basically it. And this is what Visual Studio Code is. And there is nothing technical about it.